Hello students. In previous class, we have already started about the chemical properties of amines. So in continuing the topic of the amines, so what the chemical properties we have discussed in the last class, that is the first property we have discussed about the basic character. Amines are basic in nature, that is just because of presence of this lone pair, and hence we can say Lewis base. And due to this lone pair, it also behaves as a nucleophile. So amine, or simply we can say the nitrogen containing compounds, behave as a base as well as nucleophile because of presence of lone pair. Okay. So first property we have discussed, that is basic character, and the amines are base, so it reacts with acid and to form salt. So just we recapitulate of the previous topic. So and amine when reacts with water or simply in aqueous medium, it form salt, ammonium salt and OH minus. All of you know what is K. K is the equilibrium constant, which is equal to the product concentration upon reactant concentration. So when water is multiplied with constant K, we can write a dissociation constant. For base, we write Kb. For acid, we write Ka. So it is actually base, so we write Kb. So this Kb is equal to amine, ammonium ion concentration and hydroxyl ion concentration upon amine. Okay. So this Kb, okay, already by this expression you can understand also the Kb value will be higher if the concentration of ammonium and hydroxyl will be more. And if the concentration of ammonium ion and hydroxyl will be more, that is only possible if amine shifted in forward direction, or simply we can say if amine easily accept proton to shift it in forward direction. And if amine easily accept proton, it means it is a strong base. So this Kb value decide about the basic order of any amine. If the value is higher, that will be stronger base. Now already you read in class 11th in equilibrium chapter, the chapter that is pKb. What is pKb? pKb is the negative logarithm of Kb. So this is the negative relation with Kb. Okay. So if Kb value be higher, pKb value will be lower. So simply we can say the higher the Kb value or lower the pKb value, stronger the base, means more basic character. Suppose we have given two base A and B and their pKb values are 1.3 and 4.5 respectively. If question is coming which one is a stronger base, so you can easily identify by seeing their value. So what we have just discussed, you lower the pKb value, that is a stronger base. So simply you can say A is the stronger base rather than B because of the lower pKb value. So it is a simple basic concept which was discussed in the previous class also. Now in continuing this topic, we can discuss like okay, now this pKb value less means it is more basic. Okay. Now what is the order of basic character? All of you know what is the order of basic character. The aliphatic amine more basic than ammonia than aromatic amine. What is the reason? Why aliphatic amine stronger base than ammonia or amine? Okay. The reason for that is, what is the reason for that? So simply we can discuss the basic character depends on electronic effect, and that is inductive effect. As already we have studied in class 11th in the general organic concept about plus I effect and minus I effect. So what we can discuss over here, as plus I effect, that is electron donating alkyl group increases, basic character also increases. Okay, what is the meaning of plus I effect? Plus I effect means electron donating group, and all of you know the alkyl group is electron donating group. So as number of R group, that is alkyl group, that is electron donating group, increases, the basic character also increases and increases. Why? Because it is donating the electron over the nitrogen atom. Nitrogen is base because of this electrons, this lone pair. So as electron will be more and more coming on the nitrogen, the nitrogen become electron rich. Means electron density more and more increases over nitrogen atom, and due to increase of electron density, the nitrogen has easily tendency to accept the proton by giving its lone pair, right? So easily accept proton, right? And second reason, so plus psi effect increases, the basic character increases. That is for why basic character increases by plus psi effect. The first, because of electron density increases, and second, the conjugate ion formed is more and more stabilized. Okay, as you know, what is the conjugate ion form? This is the amine. Okay, and it is base, it is accepting proton by donating its lone pair to form conjugate acid or conjugate ion, that is any, that is salt, we can say ammonium ion. So nitrogen containing positive charge, if nitrogen having positive charge, so it required electron to neutralize it. And all of you aware about this ki R is the electron donating group. So if it is donating its nitrogen, if donating its electron to nitrogen which has carries positive charge, it become neutralizes, and hence it become more and more stable. So if you know this concept, so you can easily identify about, you can easily identify about the basic nature. Okay, so before, okay, so now aliphatic amine, what is the order of basic character of aliphatic amine? All of you know the amines are three types: tertiary, secondary, and primary. So when we study about the basic character in gas phase, in gas phase, what is the order of basic character? Tertiary amine, more basic than secondary, then primary, and then ammonia, and then aromatic amine. Why tertiary amine most basic character? Because already we have discussed, due to more plus psi effect. R is electron donating group and more plus psi effect, and due to more plus psi effect, nitrogen electron density increases and its conjugate ion also more and more stabilized, so higher basic character rather than secondary amine, rather than primary amine, and ammonia because there is a no plus psi effect, and this aromatic amines are least basic character because of the reason that is a no plus psi effect, but rather than that minus psi effect, and we'll discuss in detail also. Okay, so it was in gas phase. Now when we discussed in the aqueous phase, so what we have discussed in the aqueous phase, is the order same as it was in gas phase? No. Why it is not same in the aqueous phase? Because in aqueous phase the water is there, so in gas phase it is it was only plus psi effect, but in aqueous phase the water is there, so along with plus psi effect the aqueous effect is also coming, or we can say solvation effect or hydration effect. So due to the more effect is there, hence the order of basic character of amines will be not same, it will be change. How it will be changed? You can see. So when we discuss basic character of aliphatic amine in aqueous phase, we can see the order, what the order is coming. Secondary, more basic than tertiary, while in gas phase, tertiary was the higher basic character, but here secondary is more basic character. It means what are the factors on which this order depends? This order depends on three factors. The first factor is plus psi effect. And already we have discussed, as plus psi effect increases, basic character increases, and according to this, always the order will be tertiary, then secondary, then primary. But the other effect is the solvation effect, or we can say hydration effect, or we can say hydrogen bond even also, right? So according to solvation effect, as a hydrogen bond or hydration effect or solvation effect increases, basic character increases. So you can see this is primary amine. When primary amine accept proton, it convert into this ammonium salt. You can see, okay, and this there is only one alkyl group, okay. This alkyl group, one alkyl group and two hydrogen of this amine and one hydrogen by accepting, so there is a three hydrogen and nitrogen having positive charge. So the this primary amine conjugate ion has three hydrogen, and due to three hydrogen it form hydrogen bond with the water molecule. So there is a formation of one hydrogen bond, two hydrogen bonds, three hydrogen bonds. So there is a formation of more number of hydrogen bond, and due to more number of hydrogen bond formed with the water, the more energy release means high hydration energy and high solvation effect. There's a more solvation effect, and due to more solvation effect it is highly stable. And already we have discussed, if the conjugate ion is more stable, the amine will be more basic in nature. So according to solvation effect, the primary amine having high solvation effect, and hence primary amine is higher basic in nature, then secondary, then tertiary. So what the order become now? By plus I effect, the order was 3 to 1. But now, by solvation effect, the order become 1 to 3. It is just reverse of the plus I effect. Clear? Right? And one more, that is steric effect or steric hindrance. Wherever this word comes, steric hindrance, immediately strikes in our mind. Okay, hindrance means repulsion, means less. So as according to steric hindrance, we have simply discussed that as steric hindrance increases, basic character decreases. So according to this, all of you know the tertiary is sterically hindered because there's a three alkyl group. So now again tertiary become least basic, then secondary, then primary. Means again the primary amine become strong base. Okay, so by combining all these three effects, what we can conclude? According to plus I effect, what is order? 3 to 1. The second effect, solvation effect, according to this, now the order of basic character become 1 to 3. And by steric effect, the order become what? 1 to 3. So by combining all these three effects, we observe that which one has maintained its position? Secondary. Secondary has maintained its position. So on average, the secondary become the higher basic in nature. So now the secondary become topmost. It become the strongest base by combining all these three effects. Then after, the competition between tertiary and primary. When you observe all these three effects, you are looking that primary amine more basic in nature 2 times, while tertiary only 1 time. So according to these factors, you are thinking that primary amine should be higher basic in nature, while I have written here tertiary amine is much more basic than primary amine. In spite, tertiary is only 1 time is stronger base, while primary 2 times stronger base. It means something else we have to discuss. So tertiary is more basic than primary in spite of only 1 time. By due to plus I effect, it is higher. It means which effect is the most dominating effect among all three? Plus I effect. So plus I effect is the most dominating and topmost effect, and due to this reason, the tertiary amine become higher basic than primary amine. We can discuss with your exam pattern. Suppose you are giving the exam, okay, you are giving the first exam, your class test. Your class test is only 20 marks, okay? And in class test, the child is coming first, second, third. Okay, one child is first, second child, third child. Okay. In the next exam, after CT, we are conducting UT exam, unit test exam. That exam is just 35 marks exam. What do you think? What you have seen? Again, you are observing the same thing. The child who was first, again coming first, second, third, third. The same ranking are there. But after unit test, when we are conducting, there's a midterm exam, which is a heavy exam, that is 70 marks exam. In that case, the child who was third position two times, he is scoring the highest marks in the class and now become the third one, become the first in the classroom. Okay. So this paper was the maximum containing marks. That is a dominating paper, we can say. So this is the reason कि third position, the student who was two times third position and now he is coming first position. Now the next question is coming, why aromatic amine has high pKb value or less basic in nature or less basic than aliphatic amine or ammonia. So always aromatic amine less basic than aliphatic amine or ammonia. Reason, you have to write the correct answer. So what is the reason for that? Already we have studied about the aliphatic amine. Aliphatic amine is stronger base just because alkyl group is there, and all of you know this alkyl group is electron donating group. And due to electron donating group, due to plus I effect, the electron density on nitrogen atom increases and hence basic character increases. While in case of aromatic amine, just like we can see the example of aniline, it is aromatic amine. What you are observing, this nitrogen lone pair is delocalizes over the benzene ring due to resonance, or we can say due to plus R effect. And due to this reason, the nitrogen acquire positive charge because its lone pair is delocalizing over the benzene ring carbon atom. The negative charge is now coming on the carbon ring carbon atom. So nitrogen acquire positive charge, okay, and hence the electron density decreases. And even also this phenyl group is electron withdrawing nature. So due to electron withdrawing nature of phenyl group, it is withdrawing its lone pair towards itself. So what you're observing, one is a resonance. Due to resonance, its electron is going to the ring carbon atom, and phenyl is a very strong electron withdrawing group. So it also withdrawing its lone pair towards ring. So simply what you can write, why it is less basic. So answer you have to write due to plus R effect and also due to electron withdrawing nature of phenyl group, the electron density decreases over nitrogen atom. And when electron density decreases, it has less tendency to donate its lone pair and accept proton, right? So first is electron density decreases due to plus R effect and due to electron withdrawing nature of phenyl group, okay? And the second reason is its conjugate ion, that is anilinium ion. Always we know, always the conjugate ion should be more stable. As conjugate ion is more and more stable, the base will be stronger and stronger base. But here what you are observing, the conjugate ion, that is anilinium ion, is not very stable. That is even less stable than aniline. Why? Because of resonance. Aniline, you can see over here, aniline is stabilized by how many resonance? Aniline is stabilized by 5 resonance. While aniline, when accept proton and form conjugate ion, that is anilinium ion, which is stabilized by only 2 resonance, that is 2 Kekulé resonance. So what you're observing, anilinium ion less stabilized because there is a 2 resonance possible, while aniline having 5 resonating structure. So according to this, anilinium ion become less stable than aniline and hence it become less basic. So in shortcut, you can say aromatic amine is less basic in nature because of first reason is electron density decreases and second reason their conjugate ion is less stabilized. Okay, I hope it is clear. Now, when you go for the next, sorry, not previous, next. Now, so what conclusion we are having here? The basic character basically depends on plus side effect. More plus side effect, more basic. But minus side effect, inverse. If more minus side effect, less basic. So if you know small concepts, so easily you are able to do the answer in the board exam. Okay, or any competitive exam even also. Now the question is this, when the question will come in the board exam or in your competitive exam, arrange in increasing order of basic character. So three examples are given. Now you have to check there's an electronic effect. If you know the electronic effect, you can easily arrange which one is strongest, which one is weaker, and which one is the weakest. So now what you have to see, aniline, there is no any additional group. Now, when you see the nitro, para-nitro aniline, what you're observing, there is a one extra group arises, that is nitro group. Okay. All of you know the nitro group has which effect? Minus I effect. Okay. Now here is CS3 group. CS3 is a methyl group and methyl is what effect? Plus I effect. Okay. So what you conclude? Here is the plus I effect, and as plus I effect increases, basic character increases. So what accordingly you have given this, suppose A, this is B, this is C. So what will be the order? Which one will be the stronger base? Obviously, where is the plus effect? That will be stronger base. So C, that is paramethyl aniline, which is also called paratolvidine. Paratolvidine, that is paramethyl aniline, is stronger base than aniline, and the weakest is nitro group because nitro has minus I effect. So if you know this basic concepts, you have to revise, you have to know about this all basic concepts, you will be able to solve the answer. I hope it is clear, right? Okay. Now next example, you can see this example. I have given 4, 5, 6 compounds. One is a methylamine, ethylamine, diethylamine, triethylamine, ammonia, and alanine. And the question is arrange in decreasing order of pKb value. Decreasing order of pKb value means in increasing basic character. Okay. Which one will be the decreasing order? Which one will be higher pKb value? Yes, that will be higher pKb value, which will be less basic. Okay, or you leave everything, you just recall what will be the basic nature, which one will be stronger base or weaker base. Okay. Okay, so now we are asking the question, ma'am, this is in which phase? Aqueous phase or gas phase? Yeah. So what you are telling? It should be? No, it is not in gas phase. It is obviously it will be aqueous phase because the PKB word itself indicating the aqueous phase. So when the question will be given pKa, pKb, it will be not mentioned aqueous. It is indicating aqueous phase only. So now this question is coming in, this question answer you have to write in according to aqueous phase, not according to gas phase. Yeah, correct. So now what order will be there? Now you have to check what is the order of basic character in aqueous phase. Okay. So first aliphatic amine, right? These all are aliphatic amine, then ammonia, then aromatic amine. So accordingly, you can write the aromatic amine is the least basic in nature or higher pKb value. Okay, this is the least basic. Then what will be the answer? Ammonia, correct. Now rest you have to check. Now in aqueous phase, okay, in methyl and ethyl, obviously ethyl has higher basic in nature. Now ethyl is given, this is primary ethylamine, this is secondary ethylamine, this is tertiary. Now in aqueous phase, we have just studied the secondary has higher basic character, then tertiary, then primary, and then the methyl amine. Okay. So accordingly you can arrange. I hope it is clear. Okay. So now go to the next topic. So we have just discussed about the basic character, which is very, very important character. Okay. So now I'm just, okay. So for today's class, basic character we have discussed. So basic character, I'm going to stop it. In next class, we will discuss about the next characteristic property or next chemical property of the amines. Okay. So now, thank you so much.